Welcome back. Today I'm filming a copper glittery smoky eye. I started out by priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. I'm using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. She has the shades named by column and row. This shade is Sooth Matte. I'm bringing it all through the crease and keeping it off the lid so the concealer is still sticky for the metallic. Although you can't get this palette anymore, remember, you can just use whatever palettes you have with these colors in them. This look is so pretty and works for basically anything. This is something I'd wear out to dinner or just to go to the store. I just love makeup lol. Highlighting and softening the blend on the brow bone with the Aura Matte shade. Packing the shade Story Metallic on the lid. It's a shimmery copper color. I wish Tati had been able to make more palettes. These eyeshadows are so silky smooth, highly pigmented, and blend so easily. Darkening the outer corner with the shade Ritual Matte. It's a rich chocolate brown. I waited to deepen the outer corner till after I did the lid shade, just so I could soften the blend of the lid shade once and not have to go back in with it again. Bringing it in a little further in the crease for some more depth. Making sure everything is even. Topping the lid with the Story Glitter shade. It's the glitter that matches the lid shadow. I wanted to do a wing, so I used the black water activated liner in the Revolution x Fortnite Graphic Artist palette. I was a little nervous here because it's going on gray. It thankfully dries black. I'm not really used to using liners like this with a brush, but I managed to get my wings pretty even. I want to do some more looks using this liner palette. I used to do a lot of art. I could probably figure out something fun to do with it lol. If you have hooded eyelids, let the liner fully dry before looking up or it'll transfer. It dries really fast though. I'm concealing my under eyes and acne scars with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud, mixed with the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer in Light Ivory. I forgot to mention I primed my face off camera with the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer. Finishing my base with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1, mixed in the Revlon Colorstay foundation in 110 Ivory. I mix them 50/50 so the foundation is a little more sheer. The Halo Glow thins the foundation out, so it's not as full coverage and looks more skin-like. Setting with the Coty Spun Loose Powder in Translucent, pressing it in where I crease or get oily, then lightly dusting the rest of my face. Making sure to dust off any extra powder where I pressed it in. Framing the bottom lash line with the Ritual Matte shade, connecting the outer corner with the bottom lash line. Bringing some of the Story Metallic shade in to tie everything together. bronzing my cheekbones, temples, forehead, and lightly the sides of my nose with the Revolution X Fortnite face palette. Going in with the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette Blush Shade in Resilient. Highlighting the high points of my face with the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette in the shade Empowered. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Brows are tinted right now, so I'm setting them in place with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Wax. Tight lining and lining my eyes with the Tristique Waterproof Eyeliner in shade Santorini Black Sand. I'm sad they don't make this anymore. It's the best black eyeliner I've tried. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Lash End Roll Mascara in black. It's not even the waterproof version, and it doesn't transfer once it's dry. And when you want to take it off, it comes off really easily. I'm doing my favorite lip combo, using the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha, and the Maybelline Color Sensational Cremes Lipstick in Romantic Rose. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.